Say hello, everybody. We're going to the zoo again. You ready to go to the zoo, big stuff? We're going to head in. The last video we didn't head into the Africa entrance. So this one, we're heading into the Africa entrance. Everybody gets to see that?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I like this entrance a lot more. It's a lot calmer, but it's a lot nicer looking. Mom, you're almost as old as this zoo.
1 year before I was born.
Mm-hmm.
When y'all moved down.
Hey, Addie. What animal you want to see the most?
The giraffes.
The giraffes? Well, I think we're going to see them right whenever we get through there. It'll be pretty soon. We might get to hear a lion roar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay! Hey! Are you excited? Big girl's favorite thing is the Puffins every time we come, so we'll see if that holds up this time. Gonna come stop in the gift shop real quick while everybody's going to stop for a bathroom break. Down here, we gotta find you a puffin at some point, Big Stuff. Oh, look at that flamingo. Yeah. What'd you see? Mm-hmm. Found a puffin. Say, Mama, we found a puffin. Uh-oh. Yeah. Let's come look at this sweater. Oh, that's really cute.
They're like in like Addie sizes. But.
Yeah. Save the chubby unicorn. What do you think a chubby unicorn is without looking at the shirt?
I don't know.
It's a rhino.
Okay, fair enough.
I always like this stuff. I like carved stuffs. Can you point where the giraffes are, if that's where you want us to head?
Find them on the map.
Sunglasses got in the way. We're starting off in the Africa section. Here's the whole map. There's a hall. So we're about to head into all the stuff right here. Oh yeah. The last time that I was here, as we're getting up to go to the lions, we got to see the lions roar, or hear the lions roar, which was a big like bucket list thing for me. I'll insert the clip here. It wasn't like full blown roaring, but it was really cool. So we'll see if we can catch that this morning, but if not, you got the clip. The giraffe's like way back there. There's his noggin. Might see him a little closer in just a minute. My favorite part of the giraffe exhibit is the squirrel. Look at the red river hog. See if he'll come around that tree. He's hiding. That one back here, though.
It's not a lion, it's a pig.
It's definitely not a lion.
A group of pigs is a sounder.
Did you just call that pig Pawpaw? We're now entering the area where the lions are at. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I haven't been here in such a long time since the mail's been out. Look at that. Hey. Let's go see the chimps. Hey, let's go see the chimps. Head into the Kabale Forest.
Oh, look, they're over there playing. We see a skeleton. We see a skeleton. They're playing.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite spots to come. Oh, look at the little one. Woo!
Look at Owie. Look right there. Oh my God, look at little baby. Henry, Owen, you better get over here. Look at it. Let's put Owie back in there.
I was reading
It's literally, he's just jumping in that little thing.
over and over.
That's cute. Oh, look at him on his back.
Oh, look at the baby at the back, Owie.
Oh, that's the mommy.
You gotta make a face. What kind of face are you making right now? That's it's kind of angry. Is it? All right, what's your playful face, Big Steph? Hey, what's your playful face? All right, Dads, you gotta make your best playful face. Do it in there. All right, now do your best uncomfortable face.
Which face is going to step on Thomas? See if you can make the face.
Good job. All right, now your best anxious face.
Oh, which one's that? That's beautiful.
Now
Nice
angry,
there. It's that one, yes.
and then fearful.
All right,
If that's your fearful face, I mean, I feel like you're good. You gonna spin it? Woo! Oh, you're gonna keep spinning it. Okay, you're not gonna let it stop. You gonna make them chimps dizzy, girl. Hey, Ads. Addie. You wanna come look in this over here? Let's come look in this little spot. Come here, Ads.
I want to play over there.
You can in just a minute. Come look at this right here. See the difference between an ape and a monkey? So cool. When'd you get so tall? All right, let's not jump on it. You better calm down over there, Sneezy McGee. You ready to see the gorillas?
All right, come on, nuts.
You over there?
back there hiding.
Here, hop over there, Addie.
Between the four walls.
She's trying to think of how to wake them up.
That was me this morning, not wanting to get out of bed. There we go. This one's kind of hiding back there in the corner. How did you see the sign back there? It says they eat 30 pounds of produce a day. That's crazy. you, bud. Didn't make it too long. See how big your reach is, Ads. All right. Got a baboon. Good job, Ads. You think the baboon's cute? Yeah. So we had a productive couple of minutes there for a little bit. Obviously, one of them was trying to get Big Girl to take a nap, and so that was successful. But also at one point, my mom dropped her phone off trying to get stuff switched out of her bag, and ended up leaving it. So we had to hike it across pretty much all of Africa, not the literal Africa, just here at the zoo. And thankfully there was a couple that had the phone and was calling in to let us know that they had it and stuff. And so got that successfully. So now we're at the Junction Plaza, pausing so that way Addie can get her some lunch and stuff. And then we're gonna keep on trekking. Is your peanut butter and jelly good? What you ready to see next?
My scooter's over there.
You said something about Smokey the Bear, didn't you? Smokey! See, the carousel's down, but they're letting people take pictures on it. So you know Cadence had to come over here and look at the stuff.
You like the gorilla?
Like the gorilla? You wanna come sit? Yay! Say, giddy up! Giddy up! Addie, which one you picking?
You see Nana?
Getting on the rhino? Here, I'll help you. Alright, hold on. Hop down.
That's when he goes in the apple.
Those bees. I can't talk. Those bees are about as big as you are. Look, big stuff. We're about to head into one of Daddy's favorites.
She's going real high up.
That's a baby one, right? There you go.
It's sleeping.
What sound do they make from?
Are you waving at the snake?
What do you see?
Can we even see him up here? She's waving at him. I don't know if we can even. Oh, he's back there, yeah. Yeah, like way back there.
Oh, I
The bats.
Addie, look. Look at this one.
There he is.
We have to be the.
See him, Addie? It's alright, Addie. I can get you.
I don't think Addie's a fan of the dark
She
area.
just told me she wanted to get out.
We can go ahead and head up. And she's clapping. She's impressed. Yeah. I'm glad I got to experience that because you have Addie clinging to you for dear life and almost on the verge of tears. And I immediately turned the camera around and she's smiling and clapping.
I feel like that describes their personality.
You didn't like the dark area ads? No, it's all right. We'll go see the polar bears and stuff here in a minute.
And then the bear opens its mouth and they push its teeth.
Taking him a good old nap.
Yeah, well, she's got something right here that she's going to get. Maybe she's giving it to the water right now.
I get an update on the Asia construction. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Look at that.
Look at
I'm excited.
There's some elk.
Addie, see the elk way down there?
What's the matter?
All the bears are taking good naps today. All right, we got us some wild burger. Carly, what'd you get?
The bacon Gouda something, double bacon burger.
It looked good. I got the, forgot what it's called. It's got pulled pork, onion rings, and barbecue sauce on it. I'm gonna take the tomato off, but Mom, what'd you get?
Bacon double.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, and what'd you get? You already ate it all.
See, I got turkey and veggie nuggets and sweet potato pancakes.
Yay! Here's some water.
Some ketchup. I'm good. Do you want any ketchup?
I'm good, thank you. Good stuff. I just looked it up. Mine's called the Rocky Coast. And it's got the pulled pork, onion rings, patties, and then cheese fondue. I'm pretty excited about that. All right. How was your lunch? How was your lunch? Or she's still eating lunch, though.
She's on her second orange.
How was your wild burger on a scale from 1 to 10?
8.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I tried some of mine's that had the pulled pork on it, but then one of the ones that's got your bacon on it, both of them's good. But the cheese fondue is a 10 out of 10. But the burger itself is an 8 out of 10. It was good. How's your oranges? Hey. Hey, Addie. Are you more excited to see the otters, the snakes, the turtles, or the fish? Well, she didn't answer me, so she's excited about all of it. What about you, Nana?
The otter.
Otters. Big girl's just excited to play with her square. Otters, yeah! All right.
There's a big one, Addie.
Oh my god!
There was one outside the spot. Look, you gotta be ready, okay? Because they come out of nowhere. Here he comes. Look, he's over there. Look. You was that? He was like spinning as it was. Look, there it is again. Look, it's showing off for you. Here it comes. Oh, look there. Sorry, so you gotta be touch.
Oh, look at him. He's looking at you, Addie.
She like leaned up.
Look at him.
Oh. He's so cute.
Your daddy wants a pet otter. would you be okay with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pet one. Yeah.
You want a pet one too? Bye now. Why, thank you. Oh, it's way back in the back. Can you see it? Can you see it? Hey, baby. Heading into the Arctic with the polar bears and baby Cadence's favorite, the Puffins.
Yeah.
Yeah. That like fake algae situation is new, I
He was here the last time I was here with them, but not. I don't think you've seen
think.
him.
No, since yeah. Where are you at? Let's go see your favorite. I'll actually probably get her out for this one.
Yeah. You blow kisses?
You blow a kiss? Go.
You say bye-bye, birds.
Bye-bye. Look at his feet flapping. Going like that. Go like that.
What do you think of the Puffins?
They're poopy. They're poopy. She said, Mom, I could just watch them all day.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see the polar bear.
It's real pretty. Hey! Did you have a fun time, Big Stuff? Addie, did you have a fun time? Yeah. Good stuff. It's the best way to end the trip. Can I see your tiger? You said the name's Nilly the tiger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she gave baby Cadence her turtle.
Look at that. That's so sweet. Time to make our way out. We made it back to the house. We had such a fun time at the zoo. You finally got to see the Puffins again. And yeah, had a lot of fun. Got to try out some new stuff. See the update on Asia and everything like that. And just got to see lots of cool animals and stuff. So it's definitely a perk being, I think it's Zoo Society members, whatever their annual passes and everything. So just kind of getting to pop in and pop out as we please. So definitely recommend that if you do have the ability to do that. Also, there's different like tiers of it that you can do research on. Of you purchase it and it gives you access not only to the North Carolina Zoo, but zoos around, I think, all of the U.S., but also a lot of the ones within North Carolina too. So it's a lot of fun. It's always fun being able to go to the zoo. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it, comment any sort of things you want to see below in the comments, and then subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with any of the adventures we got going on over here. And yeah, so you want to tell everybody bye-bye? You said bye-bye? Say bye-bye? Okay, what I think that's best we're getting. It's almost nap time. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time.